Hello, hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to see how we can add penalty and how we can receive penalty. So, from the status report, I will go to the due list. Here, I will just refresh and you can see this loan number 3. Total overdays is 23. So I need to add the penalty. So I will select this box and I will enter the amount, let's say 200, and just add penalty. So here you can search this loan from the search bar, let's say loan number 3. So here you can see 200 is added, and if I go to the installment tracker, here you can see 200 added as a penalty. So from the search here, the amount option you can receive. So let's say the Bank of Baroda. I will through UPI. I will receive this amount. Now I will the installment tracker, and you can check 200 we have received successfully. And in the transaction here also you can see we have received this payment. So if I go to the fees and penalty, here you have received 200 as a penalty. So this type we can add a penalty from the due list and we can receive this while searching the loan number. So thank you friends for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.